Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's review. Today we have a 2022 Nissan Navara 2.5 DDTI Pro 2X. Now pickup trucks, or as we call them bakkies, are very popular in South Africa. So this vehicle has a lot of competition with the likes of the Ford Ranger, Toyota Hilux, Mazda BT50, Isuzu D-Max and the GWMP series that is starting to infiltrate this market. As of May 2023, the starting price of the new Pro 2X is 766,000 Rand. So if you're looking at purchasing a bakkie, hopefully this video will provide more insight on the Navara Pro 2X. We will go over the exterior, the interior, practicality and performance. And if you guys enjoy these type of reviews, please like, subscribe and turn your notification bell on. Please also comment on what vehicles you guys want to see next. So starting with the exterior, you can see that Nissan has improved the design compared to the previous generation. It now has a bold and aggressive look with these black interlocking grille and grey surround and a black lower front fascia. Between these really cool C-shaped headlights that have LED daytime running lights and quad LED projector auto headlights, which are actually very bright at night. It also has LED fog lights and tail lights. There are black accents throughout the vehicle like the mirrors, door handles, roof rails, wheel arches and logos, which contrast well against this very nice warrior grey paint. It also comes with 17-inch blacked out wheels wrapped in 255 by 65mm tires, so this can cope with poor road quality and provide a smooth ride. Overall, this is a good looking vehicle and, like most bakkies, has a lot of aftermarket support for extras and accessories. Moving to the interior, the cabin feels spacious and has good visibility. There are some hard plastic materials used, however most points of contact are soft touch and the build quality is good. It has these comfortable soft leather seats with red stitching and a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel with an upgraded stylish design. Something that you will notice is that there's no grab handle on the driver's side when jumping in, which is annoying because there is one on the passenger side. The rear passenger space is decent with average headroom and legroom, however taller passengers will notice the raised floor in the rear. In terms of practicality, it does have a lot to offer, like an 8-inch infotainment system with built-in navigation, Bluetooth, voice recognition, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It also has a reverse camera, however the resolution is very low. You do expect better camera quality at this price. The screen also displays a surround camera view, which comes in handy since there are no front sensors. There are other key features as well, like dual zone climate control, cruise control, rain sensing wipers and keyless entry. It also has driver aids like ABS, brake assist, stability and traction control, hill descent and blind spot monitoring with lane departure warning. Another cool feature is this electronic rear window. Even the more expensive Amarok does not have this. The front has two cup holders and bottle holders with space in the door moldings, and a storage area in the center console as well as a USB input and a 12-volt charging point. There is also two cup holders in the back behind the center seat that doubles as an armrest. There is also storage in the door pockets and a USB charging point. The back seats also have tether points for you to install a child seat. The 2.46 square meter load bay on this example has a rubberized protective coating, which is an extra. What does come standard are these utility tracks and 4 adjustable cleats for tying down cargo. Performance wise, it's equipped with a 2.5 liter turbo diesel that produces 140 kilowatts and 450 newton meters of torque with a 7-speed automatic gearbox. It does not have neck braking acceleration and there is a bit of turbo lag off the line. However, it has a claimed 0 to 100 of 10.8 seconds, which is decent for a vehicle this size. Once it gets into its stride, it has a claimed top speed of 170 kilometers per hour. It may not be quicker than its direct rivals from Ford and Toyota, nor does it have the best fuel consumption, with a claimed 8.1 liters per 100 kilometers. But what it does have over its rivals is a very comfortable ride quality. Most bakkies come with a leaf spring suspension. The Navara has a tweaked 5-coil rear suspension and retuned shock absorbers, which not only provides a smooth and comfortable drive, but also allows load capacity for up to 1 ton. The example that we have today is a Pro 2X, and if you're going to be doing more serious off-roading, then the Pro 4X is the one you want. However, if you're looking for a daily driver that can deal with potholes and bad road surfaces, has tons of features and practicality with decent everyday performance, then the Pro 2X is all you will need. Overall, I think this is a great vehicle with good value for money. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.